Good morning, everybody. How are we all doing today? Appreciate you all liking and subscribing. Today we're trucking again, and yeah, we got some freezing rain and a little bit of snow going on, and we already have a pickup truck rolled over on the highway here, and I was climbing a hill empty, and my truck kicked sideways, so it's pretty icy. It's black ice everywhere, so maybe we're going to get some interesting footage today. We'll see what happens. But like I said, thanks for liking and subscribing. And keep trucking today. See what happens. The roads are crap. And we'll see how many loads we can get in. It's not going to be very many. We got to go slow. So when the road has a little bit of a shimmer to it, you know, common sense will tell you that's ice. But this morning, a lot of people aren't understanding what ice is, I guess, and they don't realize that it's that time of year. We get it every year, and yeah, people just don't slow down. So far, there's a vehicle in a ditch, there's a pickup that rolled over, and that's just the start. We'll see how this day goes, but you can clearly see that that's ice on the road right there. And I'm clearly taking my time. Common sense, man. When it's slick out, slow down. Now look at the difference in the road. That's wet. That's not ice, that's just wet. So hopefully the video shows the difference. But like I was saying, people need to start reading the road and understanding, you know, whether it's ice or if it's just wet. And of course, when there's snow on top of it, you can't tell if it's either or. So if the road's got snow on it, slow down. We all slow down. But yet people still, you know, want to fly by us like we're in their way. We're slowing down for a reason. We run these roads every day. We're professional drivers, and we know when it's slippery or not. So, common sense. When transports are slowing down, maybe you should too. So, we're coming up to where that pickup rolled this morning right here. This is one accident of two within 2 kilometers of each other. All this because they wanted to hammer down on ice. There it is. Gotta slow down. Winter roads are happening, man, and black ice, it happens in the blink of an eye, and you don't even know you're on it. So, sucks to be that guy, I guess. Hope everybody's okay. But maybe they learned a lesson, slow down on the ice. Looks like we're coming up to accident number 2 here. Not sure what he's doing.
10 degrees of driveline. Trying to find out this North Manitoba run. Dump truck, he put this over to the side. He showed up and he told the boss.
So that's a Jeep in the ditch there.
So what the fuck he gonna do? Well, he can.
Don't know what's going on, but hey, people are having issues driving today. That's all I gotta say. Oh, I tell if it's icy or not. It's not really a trade secret, but as truck drivers, if you're driving on a highway and it looks like it's wet, just look in your mirror at your tires. If your tires are spraying water, then obviously the road's wet. If it looks wet and you got no spray coming off, well, you're on ice. That's the easiest way to figure it out. It's one of the ways we do it as truck drivers anyway. And of course, when it's like that, we shut our Jeep brakes off. Well, so far so good. The sun came out a little bit, it's warming up. The ice is kind of disappearing. I guess it kind of helps with the salt that they're hammering down on the roads. Roads are nice and kind of clean while they're wet, but no more ice, which is good. None of us have had any incidents or anything like that other than sliding going uphill this morning. That was even before I had my morning coffee, so that woke me up right quick. Just gotta, like I said, take your time. We all know winter's coming, especially here, where we end up with, like, you know, shit tons of snow, ice. It's time to put your winter tires on if you own winter tires, because it's going to be one of those where we have ice one day, sun the next day. You know, it's going to be hot, cold, cold, hot, that kind of thing. So it's good for people to go ahead and put their winter tires on and start slowing down. Leave a little early to get to work if that's what you need to do. I'm going to guess that the two incidences that happened literally within a minute of each other, they were probably rushing to get to work or, you know, get somewhere. Rather than rush, take your time. That's the only advice I give you for winter driving is take your time. So we'll keep trucking and see what happens there. It's starting to snow real good now again, so we're gonna be having snow squalls on and off. It's not really like whiteout conditions or anything like that. It's just the starting of winter, and it's gonna be really crappy out for the next couple weeks until the snow decides to stay. So
Yeah, I know.
we'll keep trucking and see what the rest of the shift brings for us for the day. Yeah. So we'll keep on trucking. Oh, we're nearing the end of our shift now, and yeah, no incidents for us. None of the other guys I work with, which is good. Hopefully everybody that had an incident today is okay, nothing major. And yeah, don't forget, you always gotta have yourself a Marshmallow Rockstar. Gets you through the day. They're freaking delicious. I love them. But I'm gonna go dump my last load. I'm gonna go park at the shop, and that's it for my shift for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're gonna keep making as much stuff as we can, and hopefully we get better camera stuff going on here and stuff like that, because it's hard to make these videos depending where I am and what I'm doing and stuff, right? So gotta make sure we get traffic coming. But yeah, so like and subscribe, and let's keep this channel growing. And once we start getting more and more trucking videos in, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna fire up our own trucking channel. This way here we can keep the car stuff, the trucking stuff, and hopefully soon we'll be doing some videos of Ramrod. We're gonna get him put back together, put him back out on the road. It'd be nice to have the 4x4 for the winter. So yeah, hope you enjoyed today's video, and remember, slow down and keep your rubber side down.